Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see kung ano yung energies ng love life ninyo ngayong August 2026. This is a general reading, so pwede kayo makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, let's see. Ano yung energy ng love life ng mga Gemini ngayong August? Playfulness. Oh, ikay magsasaya. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. I see this as parang yung kung single ka ha, pwedeng you will go out and meet new people. Yung bang hindi mo na ikukulong yung sarili mo sa bahay lang. No? Kumbaga, you are ready to mingle. Yan, playfulness. And if you are in a relationship, maaring mas magkakaroon kayo ng time together with your person, no? You're going to have more fun pagsasaya-saya. Okay, let's see. This is your overall energy challenge ng relationship. Opportunity. Where is this relationship going? Ano yung feelings ng person mo sa'yo? So, ano lang ha, take what resonates lang. Kung hindi para sa'yo, hindi ka nakaka-relate. Hindi para sa'yo, ganun lang yan. Okay, overall energy is Ace of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo nagsisimula pa lang ang inyong relationship. I think you're spending more time together, being practical in the relationship. Kaya, nandun pa kayo sa phase na masaya kayo. Oo, madalas kayong lumabas, kumain, gumastos. Okay, now your challenge is the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, as a challenge, pwedeng pagdating sa trabaho, career ninyo, or yung mga obligasyon ninyo, pwedeng hindi nyo masyadong naaasikaso. For example, meron kang trabaho, o nasobrahan ka ng gala, nasobrahan kayo ng kung saan kayo nagpunta, inumaga na kayo. Tapos, yung tipong napapa-absent ka na sa trabaho, kasi nga, masyado namang nag-enjoy, ganon. Nangyayari rin naman yan, lalo na pag mga bata pa. Pagdating sa relationship, enjoy, ganyan. But, of course, kailangan, sa relationship, you also have to be responsible, no? Na meron ka pananagutan sa iyong mga responsibilidad. Hindi porket meron kang relationship, kailangan ng pabayaan yung iba mong obligasyon. Okay, now your opportunity, the King of Swords. So as an opportunity, I think this is about setting boundaries, no? Kung yung tipong magde-date, ganyan, lalabas, sasabihin mo na, ay, hanggang ganito lang ako pwede ha, or ganito lang tayong oras pwedeng lumabas kasi meron pa akong ibang kailangan gawin. 'Di ba? Even if hindi kayo bago, no? Kahit hindi pa kayo bago sa relationship, importante rin na, lalo na kung seryoso na yung relationship ninyo, na maaring more on na kayo, focus na kayo sa future ninyo together, no? O ano na yung plano, 'di ba? O you have the opportunity to talk about your relationship, your plans, your future, long-term plans, okay? And then, where's this relationship going? The Six of Swords. Oh, this is moving to a new direction. So, it's either pwede kasi itong nagle-level up yung relationship ninyo, maaring kung ano man yung mga challenges or conflicts ninyo, naayos nyo na, and then you are, moving to a new direction with your partner, your relationship. I also see na pwedeng meron kayong time together with your partner in the next ngayong August. Okay, feelings ng person mo. Oh, mahal ka niya, love ka niya, oh. para kasing ano 'to, eh, yun nga, nagsisimula, puwedeng gano'n, bago pa lang kayo or, um, yung tipong puwedeng ang karelasyon mo rito mas bata sa'yo, ganyan. Or andun yung excitement pa, 'no? So, your person is in love, for sure. Okay. I feel bad for letting you down. Baka meron siyang nagawa na parang, feeling niya ay na-disappoint ka niya. Oo. Masama yung loob niya for letting you down. I think this is something to do with the, boundaries na ise-set mo, eh. Mm. Na feeling niya may nagawa siyang mali, kaya nagse-set ka ng boundaries. Well, in fact, maaring gusto niya lang talagang mas ma-enjoy yung companionship, yung relationship ninyo. So, kumbaga, you just need to talk. That's the opportunity sa inyong relationship na yung bang pag-uusap na adulting, kumbaga. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.